Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into Themes app. Now select Themes at the bottom left corner. Select one of those or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to, like cat. Then click on the best theme for you. Over here you need to select download, wait couple of seconds and tap on apply. So now when I click on home button, as you can see, theme of my POCO has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, go into Themes app again, but this time select Profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on Themes, select POCO or Limitless and tap on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded themes, you can do that from the same Themes section by holding it, choosing Delete at the bottom, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!